Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I want to talk about this product right here in my hand. As you can see, it is the Airpods Pro. I was actually able to test these out for a month first to kind of like see how the performance is and everything. The product overall is actually pretty nice. Really good audio, really good bass. The bass and the audio is actually much better than the older AirPods, so that's definitely one thing to kind of remember if you're actually trying to look for a better audio and better bass headphone. Just like how I mentioned in the previous 1 week update, so there's nothing wrong with the audio, nothing wrong with the bass. The touch control still works fine, there's nothing wrong with that as well. And then if you guys want to turn off and on the active noise cancellation and transparency mode, you guys will hold it down for roughly around like 2 or 3 seconds, and then it'll change the mode. And if you guys want to use Siri as well, like I mentioned in the previous videos, you guys can actually adjust that on the Bluetooth settings to turn on Siri for either left earbuds or the right earbuds. Charging time and battery life for this product. The battery life, they say it'll last up to 18 hours, and I tested out to see whether or not that was the case, and then the test came out to be true. It does last up to 18 hours if you guys use the earbuds itself and the case total together. So the whole product itself, there's no issue at all with it regarding like the audio, the bass, the touch control, and the charging case itself, and the battery life. The only issue that I had within the first week and then now the 1 month update, I still have the same issue, is the design of the product, of how it fits and everything. So when you guys first put it on, it feels amazing. I didn't have any issues with it, but after using it for like a week, after using it for a month, the issue still occurs where it actually hurts your ear if you guys use it for a long period of time. So for me, I noticed that issue actually started hurting after like an hour or so. So after using the earbuds just for an hour of listening to music or whatever, it started stretching out my ear a little bit and kind of like start hurting, like around this area right here, it started hurting. So that's definitely one thing that kind of sucks about the product, because the whole product itself is actually really nice, really amazing. The active noise cancellation is definitely the winner for me for this product. And then when I did the 1 week update video, I thought it's just me having that issues. But when I started asking friends, and then when some of you guys commented in the comment section below, you guys let me know the same issue occurred for you guys as well. You guys heard someone else had the same issue as well. I wanted to test it out for a month to see whether or not that is still the case or not. And yes, that is still an issue that's been happening. So it really depends on you guys as a consumer at the end of the day of whether or not you guys are willing to sacrifice that pain to kind of like have better audio, better bass, and also a really amazing active noise cancellation technology that's built into this product. So for me, I prefer to have a perfect product that has amazing audio, amazing bass, amazing active noise cancellation, amazing touch control, transparency mode, and also a product that can fit really nice and won't hurt my ear after a long period of time. If it wasn't because of that one issue with the comfort and fit about this product, then this product would be really, really nice and really worth it. But as of right now, I have to say that it's not worth it after testing for a whole month of this product. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little update video regarding the brand new AirPods Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are having the same issue as well, and whether or not you guys actually think this product is worth it or not. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of brand new videos that will be coming up in the future. And then as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have...